Is this you? It's a train, train, it's a train, say it's a train, it's a train. Train, say train, train, say train. Then stay tuned for 3 quick and easy flashcard games that you can try in your class tomorrow. And welcome to Mooncake, ESL teaching made easy. If you're new here, then you need to know that I post weekly ESL teaching tip videos, so if you are teaching ESL abroad, make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, don't be shy, say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you're teaching. If you're looking for some fun and easy flashcard games to help spice up your ESL class, then keep watching, because by the end of this video you're going to have 3 new flashcard games that you can try in your class tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get straight into it with the first game, Nothing But Net. For this game, all you're going to need is a ball, an empty trash can or box, and some flashcards of the vocabulary you'd like to teach. Position the class in a semicircle and split them into 2 teams. Have 1 student from each team come to the front and ask them the target question, for example, how did you come to school today? Next, show them a flashcard related to the question, for example, a bus, and those 2 students in the middle then need to reply using that flashcard as an example as quickly as possible. The fastest to do so gets to take a free throw shot using the ball into the basket, and if they score, they get a point for their team. Keep going until everybody has had a turn and see which team has the most points at the end. Now remember that TPR is essential when you're teaching new vocabulary and sentence structures, so make sure you check out my video on TPR, link below. This next game is super simple but really effective. It's called What's Missing. For this game, all you're going to need are some flashcards of the vocabulary that you'd like to teach. Start by introducing that vocabulary one by one, laying the cards out in front of you or on the board behind you as you do. Next, ask students to close their eyes and take one of those cards away. When students open their eyes, you ask them what's missing, and the students have to look and find out which card is no longer there. Make sure you're eliciting full sentences from students and not just having them shout out different words. If you're not sure how to do this, make sure you check out my video on classroom management, linked below. This next game is called Under Over, and to play, all you're going to need are 2 sets of flashcards of the vocabulary you'd like to teach. Split the class into 2 teams and have them line up in 2 lines. Give each student at the front of the line a flashcard and have them say the word out loud. That student then passes the flashcard over their head to the student behind them, who takes it, says the word out loud, and then passes it under their legs to the student behind them. Keep going over and under until the card reaches the back, where that back student then races to the front to switch the card for another one. Keep going again and again until all the cards that you want to review have been used. So there you have it, 3 quick and easy flashcard games that you can try in your class tomorrow. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments below which game you liked and you think will work best for your class. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and by sharing with your fellow teachers. If you found it helpful, let me know by commenting the word helpful in the comments below. That's it for this video, thanks so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake.